Suppose we want to calculate correlation in Excel. We can do that too. We go to data, we go to data analysis, we click on that. Then we go to correlation, which is right here. Excel gives us basic functions that we can use, and correlation is one of them. We click OK. Then input range. Here's the range we have. Column A and B from A1 all the way to A16 and B16. Then I could say labels. There are labels in the first row, so I click that. Then I could put the output range in either a new worksheet, or I can do it in output range in the data set or in the worksheet I'm working with. And that's what I do here. And then I click OK. And sure enough, it gives us again 0.466.